In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Behance username, a simple yet important aspect of managing your online identity as a creative professional. Whether you're rebranding yourself or just updating your profile, changing your username can help you present a fresh face to your audience. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your profile reflects the latest version of you. First things first, you'll want to log into your Behance account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Behance.net. Once there, you'll see the familiar login option. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard where your journey begins. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice your profile picture displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Behance hides most of your account settings. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Account Settings. This is your entry point to changing all sorts of account details. Within the Account Settings page, you'll see various options, but the one you're interested in is titled Profile Information. This section holds the key to what we're focusing on today. Look specifically for where it states username/URL. You'll notice this shows your current username and therefore your profile URL, which typically looks like this: Behance.net, your username. This is the piece of your online presence that you're about to update. If you're ready to change your username, click into the field and type in your new username. Here's a little tip. Your new username can only contain letters, numbers, and hyphens. So keep that in mind while choosing the perfect new identifier. Make sure it truly represents you or your brand, and also ensure it is something unique. If someone else is already using the name you have in mind, you'll need to modify your choice slightly until you find something available. Once you've settled on a new username that's available and fits within the guidelines, scroll down the page. You'll find a Save Changes button waiting to be clicked. And just like that, your new username will be saved and updated immediately. This means your profile link will switch to this new version as well. Be sure to update this link wherever you've shared it previously, whether on your LinkedIn, resume, or portfolio site. Keep in mind, once you change your username, you can change it later if you need to, but it's wise to keep it consistent once you start sharing it widely. This helps maintain your brand identity across all platforms. That's all there is to it. A fresh username is at your fingertips, ready to help you make an impactful impression.